The weatherman says it's gonna snow. The weatherman, well, he ought to know. So maybe I should just be on my way. Or shall I hang up my coat for Christmas Day?
Premiumbeat.com.
We could light a fire and sit, watch some old movie, don't care what it is, and have a few laughs. So what do you say? Shall I hang up my coat?
Premiumbeat.com.
And for Christmas Day, you've got my heart beating fast, wondering what to do, because I just can't help myself.
Premium.